Hi people, welcome to another video. This is a tutorial and I'm going to be showing you how to take this Ankara dress from this to something that looks like this. Now basically what I did was I attached some beautiful flowers to this dress, kind of zhuzh it up a little bit. And if you want to see how to do that, then this video is definitely for you. I'm just showing you close up of what it looks like. Isn't this beautiful? So there are several ways you can actually embellish your fabric. I have tutorials on some of them, but I'm going to quickly run you through some of the options that you have in terms of embellishing your fabric. So here we have what we call crystals or stones, and they're just this beautiful dancing looking, I said dancing, sorry, beautiful looking jewels that you can attach. These ones are the round ones, and people like them because they usually reflect and make you look extra. You don't need too much jewelry when you wear this. Another option you have are these ones. They're usually called sequins, I don't know. This is actually really beautiful. You can get it for like 100 naira per yard and or 150, I'm not too sure. This is another option that you have. You can attach this to any type of fabric and it stays snug, doesn't go anywhere. And of course we have the very famous bead. I have videos on how to bead turban. I'm going to do one on how to bead gele and how to bead bridal gele, because what so these ones are called beads, some people call them pearls, but yeah, I'm just showing you what they look like. We have the gold ones, and these are the flowers we're using today. We chose flowers because the clothes is very flowery and or very floral, and it's just, you know, super simple, super quick, super easy. And I'm going to be using thread today. You can use glue gun, you can use glue, but I chose to use thread because I know that thread will keep you very snug and it won't go anywhere. So needle and thread, and I recommend using matching thread. As you can see, I'm using navy blue. The fabric itself, that is the organza on top, is navy blue, and the thread will be going through that and is masking well with the flower. For some reason it took me long to thread this needle, the longest time I can recall. Okay, so I had to hide it with a transition. So yeah, just going to thread the needle, and you know, we're gonna start the process really soon. So I like to thread the needle in fours because I just feel like it makes it a lot more secure, just how your hairdresser would do your needle and thread. Now this is how you tie a loop. It's simple. Like, I feel like the most basic things that I consider basic, some people don't consider basic, I don't know. So to start off, I'm going to be going through the needle and going through the flower like in crisscross motions, just to also secure the flower, you know, in case it's not properly done, so it doesn't unravel maybe when you throw it in the washing machine or when you even wash with your hand. So I've done that here. I don't know where that white thread came from, and I'm going to attach it to the fabric. Literally 2 steps. 2 simple steps, and you can go ham with this. So basically what I'm doing now is putting the thread through the fabric, in and out, also through the flower, just so that we're attaching the thread to the flower. And I'm going to be masking that by going through the flower that is very close to the crystal in the middle, so that you don't have thread showing here and there. And also it's very important that you use thread. Can you see I'm going very close to the crystal? Also important that you use thread that matches what you're sewing. Yeah, the thread was acting funny, so I was trying to bring it out, and I didn't want to cut it out so that you can see that it's not always perfect. You don't have to get it perfect all the time. So yeah, we're just going to do that back and forth, a few loops here, through the thread, through the fabric, and at the end we are going to tie it. Can you see that is me trying actively to make it go just under the crystal. Now once you're done, you take that around. Can you see, even with all our stitches, you can barely see the thread at the back of the cloth. That is what you want to make it look neat and simple. So here I'm just making loops, making tying knots so that I can secure the thread and it doesn't fall out. I'm taking it through the thread. I don't know if you saw what I did there, and I'm going to cut it really close to the and as you can see, you can barely see any form of stitching because I made it in the same circle. So this is me just marking out where I'm going to put the next flower. Of course, you don't have to follow this. Let your creativity loose. I always say this, the only basic step you need here is how to put the flower on the cloth with needle and thread. Any other thing, you can go ham. You can put flower everywhere. You can put flower and stone. You can put flower and sequin. It's really left to you. The only thing I'm here to show you is the basics, and yeah, you can literally have fun with this. You can do this on any type of fabric, any type, suede, dry lace, Ankara, silk, satin, cotton, anything. There's no limit. So at this point, I'm just going to speed up the clip, and I'll come back to you. I just want you to watch it, and yeah, without me interrupting. So this is me attaching the last one. I'm bringing it a little close so that you can see what I'm doing. I'm basically repeating the same step back and forth. So yeah, let me start praying to wrap up this video. I hope you found something useful in this video. One of the great things is this flower is 15 naira each. They go for 15 naira each, so 15 naira times 6 is 300 naira, and that is super cheap if you're going to be embellishing your clothes with that. Yeah, so let me know down in the comment section if there's any tutorial you'd like to see. I have tutorials on how to stone, how to bead, how to embellish, gilly and all of that. I have some other tutorials coming really soon. Just let me know down in the comment section. And that's me just snipping off the thread. So yeah, it is ready. You can do this for yourself, you can do this for your clients, you can use this to embellish gilly, you can use this to embellish turban, literally embellish anything embellishable. This is me just adding extra flowers to show you that you can have it all around the fabric. You don't have to you don't have to make it minimal. If you're someone that likes extra, you can do that, or if you just want it very simple, you can have 6. So yeah, thanks so much for watching this video. Do drop me a comment down below. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Yeah, I was showing you that it is snug. It's not going anywhere. And I'd love to see you in my next video. Yeah, have a great one, guys. Bye bye.